Okay guys, a little Mavic Mini tip for you. When you're flying in any kind of wind, just remember this little guy, he's only got very small little motors. They're very low profile, look. And they're designed for flight efficiency, so they're not overly powerful. They're enough to get it through a little bit of wind. This will fly in 10 miles an hour wind, no problem. Flown this in 15 mile an hour plus winds. I'll put a little clip in here and you can just see how it's tilting over, but anything more than that I'll be really careful. Absolutely fantastic flight guys, really stable, hands off the controllers at the minute. It's pretty easy, as you can probably hear on the microphone. Oh, you're going to land it on the pad? Oh, you hadn't landed it? Oh right. You got to grab it by the front, haven't you? You got what? Alright. Yeah, I'll stick it on there and I'll stick my foot on it, it's not going anywhere. Just beware that this guy will struggle against a strong wind much more than about 15 mile an hour. I think DJI state about 18 miles an hour. Okay guys, just a little tip for you. Thanks very much. Hope you enjoyed that little video. Take care, bye bye for now.